Looking for an easy website builder? This Easysite review covers my experience. Find links below. Easysite is perfect for beginners, small businesses, and anyone who wants a simple, affordable website. Its drag-and-drop editor makes creating and customizing super intuitive. Choose from various mobile responsive templates and tailor them with your text, images, and branding. While not as advanced as some competitors, Easysite prioritizes simplicity. Add contact forms, maps, and call-to-action buttons to engage visitors. Built-in SEO tools help boost your search engine visibility. Basic analytics track your site's performance. You can even sell online with Easysite's e-commerce features, ideal for smaller stores. Need help? Dedicated customer support is there for you. Easysite is an excellent no-frills option for beginners and small businesses. It's all about ease of use and affordability. Learn more in the description below and see if Easysite is right for you.